Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of Shoe Game. 2 for 1. It's the same day as the last episode, but I had to go ahead and film this one. So I said this is one of the holy grails of the Jordan shoe. So as you can tell, just by starting off, the Nike box is normally like a matte color, right? Well, it's shiny because they wanted the box to match the shoes. So I got the Jordan 1 retro patent leather Breds, and these just came out December 30th, 2021. So they've only been out for like 6-7 days. So they've barely been out a week. So I'll show you guys the shoe. I did get them retail, thankfully. So they retail for $170, like most Jordan 1 shoes. They came with alternate laces. They came with red, so I put the red on the right because it for sure fit the shoe. And this is my favorite part of the shoe, honestly, is right here. Is you got your little pendant for the side of the shoe. So I will be rocking the shoe like this. The inside is nothing special on the inside. Actually, I take that back. The inside does have it says family. So the inside's lit like that, but the bottom's normal, just Nike Air. But fantastic shoe. It's only been a week and they're reselling. Size 12 is reselling for almost $500. It's like, no, almost $400. I think they're selling for like $390 something as of right now, or as of today. It's only been a week. They're reselling for just about $400. So, I mean, in a year or two, they're going to be well over $1,000. In a year, probably about around 800, 700, 800. I think in two or 3 years, once they're truly sold off the market, I think they're going to be worth over $1,000. Now, a lot of people don't like patent leather because people have a lot of problem with them creasing, and when they crease, they leave like a crease mark because you can scuff the foam keeps cutting off. Anyway, my first pair of Breds, my first pair of the Breds. So I'm excited to wear these out, and you guys stay tuned for whenever I get my next shoe. Don't know what it's gonna be, but it's gonna be exciting. So you guys stay tuned. Appreciate you guys for watching, and we'll catch you guys next time.